Can you even compare? MSC Yacht Club is the epitome of luxury at sea. MSC Diamond Voyagers Club is the pinnacle of MSC's fidelity program. One is a one-time experience. The other is the top of the ladder for MSC Cruises. While once you experiment one, you won't want to go back, the other stays with you forever. The comparison may not be what you expect. How's the enrollment? On the Yacht Club, you enroll by buying your cruise on the MSC Yacht Club, or you are lucky and win the upgrade bid from another cabin level. On the MSC Voyagers Club, to reach diamond status, you need to have cruised plenty with MSC, maybe 7 cruises or more. This route takes you through all the status levels: classic, silver, gold, and finally diamond. This is the hard way. Or you could benefit from the MSC status match. This way, you get similar status you have with another cruise line or hotel program. You exit the Yacht Club when you disembark. You lose your diamond status 3 years after your last cruise. What about cruise discounts? Yacht Club is the pinnacle of luxury at sea. It comes at a premium price. The Voyagers Club, particularly diamond status, is the summit of fidelity to the cruise company. You enjoy a 10% discount when you book cruises with MSC at whatever experience level, even at the Yacht Club. With MSC Diamond Voyagers Club, you can benefit some onboard credit and Embarkation. With Yacht Club, you have a full dedicated team to make your experience with Embarkation as simple as possible. You can embark anytime you want. Does not matter what is stated on your travel doc. You have a dedicated baggage handling team, special escort to the check-in lounge, where you can sip a glass or two of champagne while the check-in is handled. You will meet a butler, maybe yours for the and will be escorted to the Yacht Club area. Diamond members of the Voyagers Club have priority check. Not only you have flexibility on the check-in time, but in some ports you enjoy priority check-in queues together with the Oria Spa guests. Once you have your check-in done, you can embark the ship and start exploring. And what about food? With Yacht Club, you have 2 exclusive dining venues: the Topsail Lounge, where you have an exquisite dining experience, or the One Grill. You can also have anything from the Topsail restaurant delivered to your room by your butler. If you wish, you can go to all other complimentary restaurants on board as well. But unless there are guests you wish to be with, I doubt you will want it. Diamond members outside the Yacht Club have access to the main dining room and buffet. The main dining room will depend on the book experience level. Room service comes with a charge unless stated otherwise by the experience level. Diamond members do have a valuable perk. They can dine once in a specialty restaurant of their choosing with a non-diamond guest traveling in the same cabin. All of you traveling are diamond, all of you benefit the perk. And what about drinks? Yacht Club guests have unlimited drinks throughout all the ship's bars and restaurants, provided these are below $14 or euros. You will also receive a bottle of wine, prosecco or liquor in your suite that you select with your butler, as well as unlimited refilling of the minibar. Diamond members will receive a prosecco bottle with macaroons in the cabin and will have access to some drinks at the Welcome Voyagers Club and at the Diamond Party. If you as a Diamond member want alcoholic beverages outside these 3 options, you will need a drinking package or purchase each drink individually. And what about Wi-Fi? If you are a Yacht Club guest, then you have a browse level Wi-Fi package for 2 devices per guest in the cabin included with your cruise. You may upgrade to browse and stream at the concierge. Diamond members can purchase the Wi-Fi package with 10% discount, either pre-cruise or during the cruise. And what about the pool? Yacht Club guests have a dedicated area with a pool. Diamond members will have to go to the pools with the general population. Though, if you are in the Oria, you have access to the Solarium Lounge, which usually has jacuzzi. And the spa, any benefits there? If you are a Yacht Club guest, you can go daily to the thermal area. The bigger ships will limit this to 1 hour per day and require pre-booking to avoid overcrowding. You can get any extra spa treatments such as massages for a 10% discount. As a Diamond member, you have a 1 hour free access to the thermal spa area throughout the cruise. If booking spa treatments, you enjoy a 30% discount at Ports served by tender boats, the Diamond members have priority and will receive a card to enjoy that benefit if visiting a tender-served port. However, if you are a Yacht Club guest, you can also be escorted by your butler, which will take you straight to the tender boat, even if Diamond guests are queuing in front. Regarding disembarkation, Yacht Club members can disembark whenever they want, be it early to get the early flight or later to enjoy a last lunch at the topsail lounge. They do need to leave the room by 8 a.m. the latest though. The baggage is delivered the night before until 1 a.m. So don't forget not to pack your day clothes for disembarkation day. Baggage will be the first deposit at the terminal for if you need to catch an early flight. Your butler will escort you out of the ship very fast and very smoothly. Diamond members can leave their rooms 2 hours later. Just give notice to your room attendant. You still need to deliver the baggage until 1 a.m. and your baggage will be among the first pieces of luggage deposited at the terminal just after Yacht Club guests. You can opt to leave just carrying your own luggage. If you want to know more about the MSC Yacht Club, check out this video of my experience with the Yacht Club butlers.